So the exterior of Bernese looks really sharp. Great doors, great windows. Actually, the wood siding's in really good condition and already painted, although I might paint it a color to spice it up. And Bernese is a nice home. So 20 Bernese is a nice street. And if you look, they've done a lot of work across the street. Look at that pretty home there, a mansion somebody needed to live in. So this is a nice side yard with it, you know, nice area. Walking in. Replacement windows, which is nice. And oh wow, this isn't in bad condition at all. So this just needs painted. The flooring could actually be cleaned here, surprisingly. And if I put money in here, it would actually be to redo the hardwood floors, even though the carpet's good. And I think the kitchen should possibly be redone. But whoa, 20 Bernese, big backyard. We need to spend money cleaning the backyard out and the fence line. So I'm going down to the basement now. And we have a basement that needs cleaned up a little, but a good furnace system, good water heater, and I'm trying to locate the electric. Oh, and a 200 amp electric panel. Walking back upstairs to this flip, we do have to replace one of the doors, although most of them are in really good condition. Flooring's good, although I'd go with life-proof, upgrade kitchen, beautiful windows, big backyard, beautiful woodwork, large house, multiple foyers. Let's go upstairs. Oh wow, nice foyer up here and some beautiful woodwork in great condition. We're looking at a 3-bedroom house, great bedrooms, great closet, great neighborhood. Nice, you actually got a rear porch upstairs, a balcony. So cool. And to tell you the truth, the bathroom looks to be pretty nice as well. Very light rehab, beautiful house. This is Bernese.